lot of work getting in Mommy's shoes. This is what Mommy does, I think. I think this is what Mommy does. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, I'm just like Mommy now. I got them on the wrong feet. Putting shoes on is harder than it looks, people. Here we go. James! Oh, now walking in them is another story. Whoop, there we go. You did it! You did it! Oh! There we go. Oh, you almost got it. Oh, you made it. Over to Wesley, Bob. Wesley. Hi. Where's Mommy? There she is. Oh, where's your brother? Oh, there he is. Yeah.